drawing from ancient practices like alchemy, cultivating peace, wisdom, and true self-awareness. Alchemy, often seen as the medieval precursor to modern chemistry, was more than just the pursuit of turning lead into gold. At its core, it was a spiritual and philosophical quest for self-improvement and enlightenment. The true alchemists believed in transforming the soul and achieving a higher state of being. The first step in the alchemy of self is mindfulness, being present and fully engaged with the moment. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, help us become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to observe them without judgment. Another crucial aspect is self-reflection. Journaling can be an effective tool for this. By writing down our thoughts, we can uncover patterns in our thinking and behavior, providing insights into areas of our lives that need transformation. Nature can also play a vital role in our inner transformation. Spending time in nature helps us reconnect with the world around us and find a sense of peace and balance. Sharing our journey with others can provide support and encouragement, making the process of transformation more profound and meaningful. Alchemy of self is a continuous process. It's about embracing change, seeking knowledge, and being kind to ourselves as we grow. By transforming our inner world, we can create a more harmonious and fulfilling life.